Ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly? Imagine tapping into the same frequencies ancient civilizations used to unlock abundance. Welcome to Shifting Vibrations, a cutting-edge collection of audio tracks designed to elevate your mind and manifest wealth. These aren't just any tunes. These are binaural beats finely tuned to specific frequencies that awaken the brain's hidden potential. Think of it as a mystical key, unlocking doors you never knew existed. Each track is infused with subliminal messages and serene ambient sounds, guiding you towards a state of abundance. It's like having an ancient secret in your pocket, ready to unleash whenever you need it. Feel the shift, embrace the energy, and watch as opportunities and prosperity flow into your life. Ready to tune into your wealth frequency? Click the link and start your journey with Shifting Vibrations today. Unlock the mystery, manifest your dreams,